Hi lovelies, you're welcome to today's tutorial. I will be learning how to make this easy wrap turban. So it's a very simple turban cap. You just wrap it around your head. So for this design I make use of a lycra material. So I measure at 17 by 50 inches. Measure 17 by 50 inches. Then after that, you fold it into two. You fold the 50 part into two. I'm just trying to show us the measurement I took. So the 50 inches part, you fold it into two.
Mommy.
So once you are done folding it into two and you arrange it well, at this open edge, so the upper part you measure 6 inches inward. You can see here 6 inches inward. Then at the other side you measure 4 inches downward. Then after that you connect this together. So once you connect this together, the next thing is to pick your scissors and trim this out to have a slight curve. So once you're done here, you take it to your sewing machine and stitch it. You make sure when you are stitching, the right side will be facing each other. The right side will be inward, facing each other. So here I'm trying to arrange mine. You fold it into two with the right side inward and the wrong side facing you. Then from that curved side, you stitch it down up to the end here, just this point. You stitch it down. So here done stitching. So this is what I have. You can see that the upper part is opened and the down part as well is opened. So the next thing, the open part, you just fold it like this, as if you are hemming a dress. Then the lower part as well, you fold it twice like this and sew it all the way round. So after stitching, this is what I have. But if you don't want this the thread to show, you can cut out 2 pieces of this and use one as a lining. For the other one, it will be more thicker, so you can cut out 2 to make one the lining and one the main fabric. So after that is the end result. This is how it looks, and this is how you will style it on your head. The curved part will rest on your head, you can see, like this. Then you pick it and twist. You make a twist, like you can twist it once, you can twist it twice, and after that you flip it to the back and arrange it to whichever style you want. You arrange it anyhow you want. So that's how it